Are you prepping for Halloween and want to be sure that you have the best setup for trick-or-treaters this year? In this video, I will share a handful of tips that I have learned from my mistakes in the past with preparing for Halloween and will help make you the best house on the block this year. Stick around until the end of the video to learn a best-kept trick-or-treater secret. I'm Bailey Beckman, a Twin Cities realtor that likes to have fun and get involved with my local community. When preparing for trick-or-treaters, one of the most important things to consider is safety. You won't be the best house on the block if anyone gets hurt or feels uncomfortable knocking on your door. Be sure to have a clear walking path from the street or sidewalk to your front door. Minnesota weather can also be very temperamental at the end of October, so if there is ice or freezing rain, be sure to keep the path well salted. You also want to make sure that your front door is well lit. This plays into safety, but it is also the signifier to parents that you are welcoming trick-or-treaters. If your light isn't on, they won't come. Another tip to help you prepare for trick-or-treaters is to purchase the right amount of candy. I recommend connecting with your neighbors to see how much they purchase each year to help you plan accordingly. You don't want to run out of candy too soon, but you also don't want to be eating Snickers for the rest of the year. If you are trying to be the best house on the block, I say have fun with it and get dressed up too. You don't have to have an elaborate costume to show trick-or-treaters that you are having fun with the evening too. A simple witch's hat or a silly pair of glasses with a mustache is all it takes. To really top off the night, it is always fun to have something on hand for the parents too. Sure, the kids are the primary focus of the night, but they would not be able to be out and about without a guardian. And I can bet that guardian would love a cup of hot cider. Finally, the best kept trick-or-treater secret is to pick a go-to treat or gift that you stick to every single year. When I was growing up, my parents would take us trick-or-treating at my grandparents' neighborhood, where the local dentist also happened to live. Every single year, he would hand out a toothbrush, and his wife would pop around the corner and hand us a homemade carameled apple. It was the most popular house on the block, and I actually looked forward to getting a new toothbrush every year, even as a kid. With these tips, you are likely to be in the running for the best house on the block for trick-or-treaters. If you're looking for other fun things to do this fall, check out my other video, Best Fall Activities for Families in the Twin Cities. Thanks for watching.